Jollibee time! Here at Tuguegarao Plaza. Okay. Meron na spaghetti, ang ice cream, Nesty, French fries. Ba't tinulat mo nga, Imad? Ayun, si Ate Kaka nag-o-order ng pagkain namin dito sa may Jollibee. Ayan, akyat kami ngayon sa taas. Maghanap ng table para kay Benben. Ayan ang makulit kong apo, si Benben. Ayan. Oh, be careful na ako. Hanap tayo ng upuan. Sige na, upo na ako. Upo. We are at Tuguegarao. Ayan yung Marathon Fresh. Ben, you sit down properly. Sit down properly. No big chair. Ben, say hello. Ben, say hello.
Mommy, you're outside.
Stay outside. Say hello to me. Here, you look at me. Here, you look at me. Ayan ang makulit ko nga po, 3 years old. Pagod yung kamay ko na nagbuhat. Natulog kasi. Kasi naghatid ako ng padala. Hey Ben, say hello. Come on, hello. You say hello.
Wow, I can see a bag.
Yeah?
See a bag?
Yeah. Can you see a bag there? Can you see this? Can you see a bag the shape of your bag? Where is it? Where is it?
Here.
There? Not here. There. You say there. You look at me. Ben? Maybe you look at me. You look at me. And that one is dirty. Don't put your mouth there. That one is dirty. Let's wait for Ate Kaka. Let's wait for Ate Kaka. Yeah. Say hello. Hello guys. You say hello guys.
I see a bag.
Ah, you see a bag. Okay. Say hello guys. Say hello guys. Come here, you look at me. Don't go down. Don't go down. Alright. Don't go down. Don't go down. Ang makulit kong apo. Where's Ate Kaka? Where's Ate Kaka? Downstairs. Say downstairs. Okay, we go to the other side. Yeah, this one is upstairs. Ben, where are you? No, that one is downstairs. We are upstairs. Huh? Where are you? We are at Jollibee. Show me your face. Not like that. Show me your face. It's Jollibee time. Right? Hey. Show me your face. It's Jollibee time. Ben will eat Jollibee. Ben will eat Jollibee. No! Ate Kaka is coming. Ate Kaka is coming. Ate Kaka, faster. My bed is so hungry already. My bed is so hungry already. Come on, Ate Kaka. Where's Ate Kaka? Where's Ate Kaka? No! Ate Kaka is coming. Ate Kaka is coming. Not yet. Ate Kaka is not yet here. Don't play your time. What's your name? What's your name? Jose, ang sangsangit niya pusa. Come on. Sangsangit niya pusa. Bemben. What are you eating, Mayben? What are you eating? Huh? Jollibee. Yeah. Jollibee. Ay. Nice Jollibee. This one, her ice cream. Is dipping her French fries on the ice cream. Yeah. Okay, you eat now. Enjoy eating. You enjoy eating. No, one by one only. Why both hands already? Yeah, it's like that. Let me see if you know how to do it. Let me see how you know how to do it. Oh no! Ice cream time.
Kayo cheese.
Apa? Sabi mo tiya. Oh my God! Both hands have French fries. Gutom kasi ako. Hindi ako nag-lunch sa bahay. Kaya inaya ko si Jamaica na mag-Jollibee. Ayun siya, after ng class nga. Ang batang gutom. Ayan, oh. Tingnan mo. It's yummy? Bemben, it's yummy? Ang takaw mo? Oh no! Oh no, Mayben! Sige! One by one only, not too much! One by one! Not too much! Yes, like that! Wow, so clever! So clever. Yummy? It's yummy? Be careful. Be careful. Naka-concentrate na guys na kumakain ng ice cream. Nilantakan na yung ice cream. Ben, say hey. Hey hey. Say hey hey. Wala na, nakafocus na siya sa ice cream. Ayan. We are at Jollibee. 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 Ayan, ang batang matakaw ng ice cream. Nabasam na gayay. Ang batang matakaw ng ice cream at saka French fries. Ayan, oh. Oh no, not like that. Ayan, oh. The ice cream. Ubus ko na yung pagkain ko. Si Kaka, hindi pa tapos si Kaka. Si Mayben na matakaw ng ice cream at saka French fries. Give Give me some. I want also to eat ice cream. Yummy ice cream, isn't it? Yummy ice cream. It's yummy.
I need ice cream now.
No, that's bad. I will cut your tongue if you are doing that one. Pagbigyan ang batang makulit. Oh no, it's so cold. So cold. Yummy, yummy. Oh no. How do you eat ice cream? Why you lick the spoon? Oh my God. So naughty. Can I have some? Can I have some? Give me. Why so little?
Okay.
Still have a lot? Don't eat all. Leave some for mommy. Grabe kang bata ka. Ang kulit. Ang batang makulit. Sinong batang makulit? Ha? May Ben, sinong batang makulit? You say, aksang sangit, jay pusa. Ay, nako, nakakapagod mag-alaga sa kanya. Kaliligpit ko pa lang yung kinalat, mamaya may kalat na naman. Ben, say hi. Say hi. Hi. Louder. Say hi. Ubus na ang pagkain namin. Tapos na si Ate Kaka. Kumakain na lang ng ice cream. Ang batang matakaw. Ngayon, french fries naman ang nilalantakan. Oh no. Oh no.